welcome back to my channel. And I have a special guest for you to meet.
Hi, I'm Zoe's best friend, and today we're going to be talking about our Labubu's. So first, my Labubu, she gifted this to me. Her name is
Strawberry shortcake.
Strawberry Shortcake, also known as Felicia. And her outfit, so these are her little feet, and then this is her outfit. She has her name on her head, like a hat, but it kept falling off, so I didn't want to put that there. So this is her.
Okay, this is mine. Her name is Coco, and she has a brown sweatshirt that says smile, and a little feet and pants, and this is her little bow. So, bye.